The power of ownership. Possessive pronouns unleashed. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into a very important topic: possessive pronouns. What are they? Why are they so crucial in English? We will explore these questions and more, right here, right now. Buckle up and let's jump in. First, let's clarify what we mean by possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns are words we use to show ownership or belonging. Some examples include mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, and theirs. They can stand alone and do not need to be accompanied by the noun they are replacing. For instance, instead of saying, "This is John's book," we can say, "This is his." Now, why do we use possessive pronouns? There are two main reasons: efficiency and avoiding repetition. 1. Efficiency. Pronouns in general are used to make our language more efficient. Instead of saying, "This is the book of John," which sounds quite formal and lengthy, we can simply say, "This is John's book," or even more efficiently, "This is his." 2. Avoiding repetition. Imagine a conversation where we keep using someone's name or keep repeating a particular noun. It would sound very repetitive and monotonous. For instance, without possessive pronouns, we might end up saying something like, "John's book is nicer than Mary's book," instead of simply stating, "His book is nicer than hers." By using possessive pronouns, we can communicate more effectively and keep our conversations interesting. To really understand how possessive pronouns work, let's look at some examples. 1. This car is mine, instead of, "This car belongs to me." 2. This secret is ours, instead of, "This secret belongs to us." 3. These books are hers, instead of, "These books belong to her." You see, by replacing the phrase, "belong to," with a possessive pronoun, we make the sentences more streamlined and natural sounding. So, there we have it, friends. The world of possessive pronouns. They are an integral part of English language, providing us with an efficient way to express ownership and help us avoid repetition. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try incorporating more possessive pronouns in your daily conversations, and you'll master them in no time. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring the beauty of English language. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.